Hello friends, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the rear signal light, tail light in your GMC Terrain. I have a 2016 over at AutoZone, picked up these two for $7. Just ask the guy behind the counter or the gal, you know, I have this model of car, need a light, and they just hand it to you. It's pretty easy. So as you can see, husband is helping out here today. He is removing the caps in the back. There are these circular things that protect the screws at the back tail light. So there they are, they're exposed, and now he's going to use a screwdriver to take the screws out so we can have access to that back light. So it's a bit of a process here, but he got that done pretty quickly. Now this is the one part that we kind of fell into a little bit of a snag. It was to remove the light. As you can see, he's putting a bit of force into this. You have to be gentle because it's still plastic, and if you put a lot of energy into that, you could possibly, you know, crush it or break it, which you don't want. So that rocking motion then he's doing, and then I think he just managed to get it, you know, doing that for a couple of minutes, and boom, there it is. And so just to show you, this is where the light is, and you just pull it, you just turn it a bit and pull it straight out. And as you can see, the bulb is black. So it just recently died. And I didn't want the police to pull me over saying, your light is out. And then just pulling it out that way, boom, there it is. As you can see, this bulb is dead. And then I'm going to hand the new one over to my husband. And he's going to pop that in. It's a pretty easy process. And we were talking, like, usually if you get this done at a dealership or an oil change place, anywhere between 20 to 30 bucks. To do this, you know, for $3.50 in an afternoon, totally what it's about. See how he's, oh, he just wanted to show you guys the light. There it is, sparkly new, and you pop it in and a little bit of a twist. But everything is, it just goes back into place. And then this, he wanted to double check that it was actually working, and I'm going to show you guys. Seems to be working. Because it was making that tick, tick, tick sound, eh?
Yeah, that's to tell you that it's burned out.
Yep, no, that looks good. Okay guys, so now you have to click it back in, not too much force, but enough to get the snapping motion that it's going to go back in, and then you're going to screw it in and then put the two caps, the plastic caps on top. Please put those items in a safe spot that you don't lose the screws and those little plastic caps. That would be awful, but a pretty easy process. We probably saved, you know, probably $20 to $25 doing this at home, and absolutely worth it to do these little projects for your car at home. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and good luck with this project. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.